Okay, class. So today we're going to start our guided reading books. And as just a reminder, Five Cheesy Fries, you're reading Matilda. Six Pancakes, you're reading Jake Drake Bully Buster. Reading Tigers, you're reading Judy Moody Saves the World. And Reading Dragons, you're reading Frindle. So today you're going to be looking for your assignment. It's going to be posted underneath today's assignment. So you're going to go into Google Classroom, you're going to go into our distance learning class, and you're going to find Wednesday, April 15th's lesson. And then underneath, you're going to see each individual reading group's reading assignment for your groups, for your novels. Please click on your own. If you're not in a group, don't click on it, okay? But I figured this would be easier than just going into your guided reading groups, so it's all in one place. So again, you're going to go into your distance learning class, you're going to find Wednesday, April 15th lessons, and then you're going to look right below it. Your reading groups will be posted as your individual reading group. So you'll see Five Cheesy Fries, Matilda, lesson 1. Six Pancakes, Jake Drake, lesson 1, so on and so forth. Everyone has the same type of lesson, but I'm going to go through each group's lessons here on this video. So if you want to skip ahead to your video or skip to the end after I explain all the videos to get one last piece of direction, you can do that, okay? First, let's start off with Matilda. So Matilda's lesson 1, it's very simple for everybody. So what you're going to do is that it should say lesson 1 before the reading. You're going to look at the cover, okay? What are some hints that the cover gives you as to what the book is going to be about? Be specific and make sure you're answering in complete sentences. You can just continue your answer in this text box. Then you're going to look at the back of the book, okay? What do you learn about the story from the back cover? If there wasn't any information, you can skip the slide. However, I see on Matilda's, there is information. You can also Google it. Back cover of Matilda, back cover of the book that you're reading. Then, based on the front and the back covers, do you want to read this book? Like, does this book sound interesting to you? Why or why not? And then lastly, for Matilda, you're going to research about Roald Dahl. Include things like other books he's written, some interesting facts about him. You can use bullet points. You have to have at least 3 bullet points, and you can include pictures. That's going to be your first lesson. Make sure you click Turn In after you've completed all of the slides. All right, if you're in Judy Moody, it's the exact same thing, okay? You're going to be looking at the front cover. What are some hints and clues that gives you as to what the book is about? Again, be specific. Write in complete sentences. You can continue your answer in this text box. Read the back of the cover. If there wasn't information, you can skip it or take that extra challenge and Google the back of the book cover. Okay? If you can't find your book for this lesson, you can Google it. You can Google the front cover. You can Google the back cover. So regardless if you have your book or not, you need to do this assignment. Based on the front and back covers, do you want to read this book? Why or why not? And lastly, research about Megan McDonald, the author. Include things like other books she's written, some interesting facts, 3 bullet points, and pictures. Jake Drake, you guessed it. Same questions. Look at the cover. What are some clues about what the book is going to be about? Be specific and answer in complete sentences. You can answer in this text box. Read the back cover. What do you learn about the story? Okay? If you're missing information, Google it. Okay? Based on the front and back covers, do you want to read the book? Why or why not? And lastly, research about Andrew Clemens. Include things like other books he's written and some interesting facts about him. You can use bullet points and include 3 bullet points and pictures. And Frindle by Andrew Clemens. You're going to look at the cover. What are some hints about what this book is going to be about? Be specific answer and complete sentences, and you can answer this question in this text box. Read the back cover. What do you learn about the story from this back cover? If yours does not have anything written in the back, Google it. Based on the front and the back covers, do you want to read this book? Why or why not? And research about Andrew Clements. Include things like other books he's written, some interesting facts, and you can include bullet points and have at least 3. And you can also have pictures. All right, those are our 4 books and your first assignments for each book. They're all the same for each. Remember, if you cannot find your book, it is not acceptable to not do them. Okay? You can look up the front and the back covers on Google and still do the assignment. This assignment is due today, Wednesday, April 15th. So I'll be looking that this is complete by the end of the day. Please make sure you are turning in your separate assignment along with this assignment when you are all finished. All right, enjoy.